massive difference in a space. So this bathroom's quite traditional and old, and I quite love it. There's some little things that I've changed in here, such as the toilet seat, because it was a shocker. And you know what? I'm in love with this marble. I love the gold handles. I think it's really feminine and gorgeous and suits the house. However, this mirror really lets the space down. It's kind of like, looks like it's been bought in the 80s or maybe even the 90s and stuck on the wall. It's nowhere near as bespoke or beautiful or as traditional as this vanity. So rather than rip it off the wall, I have limited amount of time and limited budget, and you can make such a big difference with small budget, small time. So I'm actually going to choose a paint, and I'm just going to paint out the mirror to try and accentuate the colour in the vanity.